In today's fast-paced world, time is money. Traditional international bank transfers can often take several days, sometimes even weeks, to reach the recipient. Wise leverages its network and technology to facilitate faster transfers, with many reaching their destination within hours or even minutes, depending on the currencies involved and the receiving country's banking system. This speed and efficiency can be crucial for businesses needing to pay international suppliers promptly or individuals needing to send urgent funds to family abroad. The ability to track your transfer in real time through the Wise platform provides added peace of mind. 5. Multi-currency account, a global hub for your finances. Beyond just money transfers, Wise offers a powerful multi-currency account. This account allows you to hold, manage, and convert money in over 40 different currencies, all in one place. You can get local bank details for major currencies like Euro, GBP, USD, AUD, and more, allowing you to receive payments like a local, without the need for multiple international bank accounts. This feature is particularly beneficial for freelancers and businesses with international clients, as they can receive payments in the local currency without incurring hefty conversion fees. It also simplifies managing expenses when traveling or making purchases in different currencies. 6. Convenient debit card, spending like a local anywhere. For users with a multi-currency account, Wise offers a debit card that allows you to spend your money in over 170 countries at the real exchange rate. When you use your Wise card abroad, it automatically converts the currency at the mid-market rate with low fees, saving you from the unfavorable exchange rates and foreign transaction fees often charged by traditional bank cards. This makes it an ideal companion for travelers, students studying abroad, or anyone who frequently makes international purchases online. You can manage your card through the Wise app, freeze it if lost or stolen, and track your spending in real time. 7. User-friendly platform, simplicity at your fingertips. Wise boasts a user-friendly website and mobile app designed for ease of use. Sending money, managing your multi-currency account, and tracking your transactions are all intuitive and straightforward. The platform provides clear instructions and support, making international finance accessible even to those who are not experts. The simplicity of the platform reduces the potential for errors and makes the entire process less daunting compared to navigating the often complex interfaces of traditional banking systems. 8. Security and reliability, peace of mind for your finances. Wise is a regulated financial institution that employs robust security measures to protect your money and personal information. They are authorized and regulated by various financial authorities around the world, ensuring compliance with strict security standards. While no financial platform is entirely immune to risks, Wise's commitment to security and its track record provide users with a high degree of confidence in the safety of their funds. Embracing a smarter way to manage global finances. Wise has revolutionized the way individuals and businesses handle international money transfers and global finance. By prioritizing transparency, fair pricing, and efficiency, it offers a compelling alternative to traditional banking systems. The benefits outlined above, from significant cost savings and access to real exchange rates to the convenience of a multi-currency account and debit card, make Wise a powerful tool for anyone operating in the global landscape. As a finance expert, I highly recommend exploring the advantages of Wise. It empowers you to take control of your international finances, save money, and simplify your cross-border transactions. In an increasingly interconnected world, Wise provides a smart and efficient solution for managing your money without